Got something for you. Alright, we're gonna role play. You're an attractive 20-year-old female who works in a hardware store. I'm a wealthy Irishman looking for some fun time accessories.
How are you doing?
How are you today? What is that? So, I'm in the area browsing for restraints, something strong, something restraining. That was so quiet I couldn't even hear it.
Yes, they're right here.
Let's see. Put him in. Put him in.
There's people right fucking behind you.
Put him in.
Oh god. Just whistling after tying me up in a fucking Home Depot.
Your mother's got one of these.